Hi, I'm Louis Lewent with another edition of Crazy Corny Riddles. Today's riddle is, well, it's all about dogs, specifically Cocker Spaniel dogs. What do you call a Cocker Spaniel who knows how to tell time? You call that dog a Clocker Spaniel. Okay, you should have got that one. Zoe the Pig is my children's picture book. 5 to 8-year-olds love it. Adults love it. It's fun for the entire family. Tell your friends. You can get it at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Walmart. Fun for the entire family. Tell everybody you know. Zoe the Pig. Thank you.